The biggest benefit working with Replicated's gotta be the people. I mean, they're so wonderful, and that also shows in the software that they build. They're building a piece of software that actually helps you deliver that same kind of caring. Hi, my name is Mitch Thomas. I work for Tripwire by Help Systems, and I'm a security architect. Tripwire by Help Systems provides security solutions, particularly compliance solutions, file integrity management, and vulnerability assessment. On-prem customers often have a really important requirement to be able to deploy their software in a very controlled way. And Replicated really provided this really strong feature for us that was critical for the industry that we're in and critical for our customers. We've used Replicated to deploy these software solutions on-premise in their environment in such a way as they can control that information in the way that best works for their business. We got the support bundling that we needed, we got the air gap parts that we needed, we got the Kubernetes experience we wanted. They provided a really nice definition for packaging up an application and to be able to deliver it. Replicated has been, I think, a great example of how we can create SaaS software or SaaS-oriented services with Kubernetes and deploy them on-premise. The interesting thing there is it's the best of both worlds. I would definitely recommend Replicated to other customers who are working on SaaS solutions that are containerized using Kubernetes. They were very supportive from the very get-go, and all that combined made for a yes for Replicated.